this is the seat cover kit for the XJ40 front seats. They've been made leather faced, so that means basically the bits that touch your body and some elements of surrounding bits are made in leather, whereas the backs and retainers and a couple of the surrounding bits are in vinyl. This gentleman over in Australia has gone for the smooth finish leather, so a bit less of a texture on there, slightly more expensive, but we can offer both grained and smooth, colour dependent. So in the kit you get a pair of seat cushions. They are pleated, genuine tuck and roll pleats, as you can see from these folds and slits into the foam. So you get the pleats there, and the side bolster panels, they're all leather. This retainer here, tucked away out of the way when it's all said and done, that's in vinyl. And then the bolster surrounds are in leather with foam padding. You can see on the back here we've also done this seam along here as per original specification. So you get a pair of cushions, that's those bits, moving out the way. Then you get backrests, again a pair, again pleated. Always look for the genuine tuck and roll pleats on there. Side bolsters again foamed, and the surround section, so this is where the headrest bracket would go on there, and then you get this padded flap at the back. This rest of this area here is sent as a retrim kit. This is where the pocket elements go. I'll move on to that in a second. On the bottom of the retainer here we also put a beading which allows you to hog ring tie to the framework of the car nice and easily, so you get a pair of those as well. As mentioned, these are the pocket elements, so you get pre-sewn with elastic at each end and a wool cloth lining on the back of it, so you get a pair of pockets that then get attached. These I believe are elements of the lining of the pockets, so that's supplied as well. You then get a pair of, this happens to be the vinyl, way oversized for what you need, but it allows you to easily use it all. These cover the plastic mouldings that make up the majority of the backrest and encase the pocket on the back of the backrest, so you get a pair of those. And finally, a pair of headrests. Again, these are leather, smooth, they've been piped around the edge here, and a foam padding on the inside. They basically get folded over like that, and the bracket gets put in there, and on they go.